Guys, welcome back to the tools and equipment studies. The last time we actually mentioned to you some pins that we need, or the alternative pins you need as a fashion designer when you are starting to sew, the pins that you need to start sewing. Now today we are going to talk about needles, the hand needles that you need to use. Okay, I mentioned the name and I'll just describe it a little for you to understand so they get familiar with it. So guys, we start with number one. Number one, sharps are widely used for general hand sewing purposes. It's medium length with a round eye. They are suit most fabrics. Two, betweens are short needles with a round eye. They are used to make close, fine stitches as it's quilting. Three, ballpoint needles are very similar to sharps but have a rounded point that penetrates between knit yard fabrics. Four, straws are longer needles than betweens. They are also known as milliner's needles and are often used for tracking. 5. Chenille's needles are thick and sharp and have a wide eye. They are larger than embroidery crewel needles and are suitable for use with heavy yarns. 6. Beading needles are very long and fine with a sharp point. They are used for decorative work, particularly for attaching beads and sequins. 7. Tapestry needles are strong, thick needles that have a sturdy, blunt point. They are suitable for working tapestry and needlepoint projects. 8. Long darners are long, thick needles that are suitable for mending holes in heavy fabrics. Used with thick woolen yards, they form a closely worked mesh for covering large holes. Embroidery crewel's needles are sharp, medium-length needles with a long eye through which are threading strands of embroidery threads. Number 10. Cotton darners can vary in length and diameters. Traditionally used for darning, they are also suitable for delicate yarns such as cotton and silk because of their fine points. 11. Curved needles are available in variety of sizes. They are used in mattresses and upholsteries work, where straight needles are unsuitable. 12. Glovers are sturdy needles with a round eye and a strangular point. They are suitable for piercing both leather and strong plastic fabric. So we'll continue from our next video, part 2. We'll continue with the needles. Okay, now that we are done with the needles, do you know that we have some cutting tools that fashion designer need to know? In our next video, I will mention some of the names that are used for some of the cutting tools, and I'll explain to you what is needed as a fashion designer. What cutting tools are needed for sewing as a fashion designer. See you on my next video.